PGD, we believe in achieving our dreams so you can live yours. Our latest project brings together all the requirements of a modern family into a safe, beautiful residential space. We have handpicked a well-appointed location for our latest project. Pinnacle in Pune is a serene residential complex that sets itself apart. It has been carefully designed to suit your every need. Located in Keshav Nagar, Mundwa, Pinnacle is in close proximity to major transport routes, IT parks and educational institutes. There are popular landmarks: Baba Kalyani Institute, 200 meters. Mundwa Bridge, 1.7 kilometers. Koregaon Park, 6.2 kilometers. Osho Park is 7.5 kilometers. Close by 5-star hotels are Westin, 4 kilometers. Radisson Blu, 5 kilometers. Hyatt, 7 kilometers. And Vivanta by Taj, 6.5 kilometers. Hospitals in the vicinity are Columbia Asia Hospital, 1.9 kilometers. Shraddha Hospital, 5.5 kilometers. The Premier iCube Montessori School, 3.6 kilometers. Cerebrum IT Park, 5.9 kilometers. Big Cinema, 5.2 kilometers. Koregaon Park Plaza, 3.9 kilometers. Eon Free Zone, 7 kilometers. Magarpatta IT Park, 4.3 kilometers. Our experienced design team has ensured spaces that are functional, efficient and beautiful. Pinnacle offers optimum utilization of space. Welcome to luxury at affordable rates. Let's take a look inside. Pinnacle assures the safety of your family with the latest security measures. A high-speed elevator takes you home. Homes at Pinnacle are spacious and aesthetic with beautiful views. The living space doubles as a family room. And adjacent is the dining room. The kitchen is practical, functional, and well laid out. The powder room is divided into a toilet and washroom. PGD has designed upscale 1 and 2 BHK apartments at Pinnacle. The bedrooms are spacious and airy. They all have excellent views of the surroundings. We have looked at both cost and comfort at Pinnacle. The master bedroom is warm, large, and has a beautiful attached bathroom. The living room balcony overlooks the splendid life at Pinnacle. Landscape gardens run across the entire property. Special safe play zones have been developed for children. The clubhouse is where all the activities are held. There is a gym with the latest equipment. A host of board games are available, such as carom and chess. You can also play table tennis. Together, all these make Pinnacle the perfect home for you. Pinnacle by PGD Group. It's time to start living. Based in Mumbai, PGD Group has rooted its work in the values of ethics, teamwork and excellence, all for the best customer experience. We transform landscapes to shape the future.